Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Louis Vuitton passport cover and Monogram Eclipse. So as you can see, here it is. Here's it next to my hand, so it'll fit over a passport, so just to give you guys a size comparison of it. And then here it is next to the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer, so as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than it. So I'll be doing a review on this, so make sure to subscribe and look out for that video. So as you can see, here's the passport cover, same on both sides. It's just one piece of the Monogram Eclipse canvas all around. And then opening it up, as you can see, here's the inside. As you can see, it has the Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France, like writing on it, which I'm pretty sure all their products have. And as you can see on both sides, it's like sewn right here and here, but not sewn on these two edges, so that way you can fit your passport in it. And then also, as you can see, there's 4 credit card slots and then another pocket right here, which you could put like a card in if you want to get access to it really fast, since it won't be fully enclosed in one of the card slots like up here. And then the inside is also the canvas material, but it's all black. So it's pretty simple. It's really good if you need this for your passport cover. It's really good if you need this to cover your passport, because it gives you like, you can essentially almost combine your passport and your wallet, since you get the credit card slots, and you could use this slot right here for like cash or something. So just a quick review showing you guys this if you're interested in buying it. Pretty much all for today's video. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also leave a like on the video, and thanks you guys for watching.